everyone, here I am back in the park for another small miracles and big joy video. Today I wanted to go out earlier because the sun was shining and I thought this is the perfect moment to capture the beauty of Bucharest in September in one of my favorite parks. So I really like, and I think this is the first miracle for today, the weather, the sky, and how the water looks. Look at the water and the happy ducks and other birds that are swimming. I didn't want to miss this opportunity to go out for making another vlog episode from my Small Miracles Big Joy series, where I'm just relaxing, walking and finding small miracles in everyday life and in what I encounter in my journeys. Sorry for the very fluffy hair, I just washed it. So I'm happy to break the rhythm of staying at home at the office, staying all day in front of my PC and just not doing the small things that I want to do, because I feel like going out for walks earlier and not after work, so not at 6 or 7 p.m. There are days when I want to be outside at 10 or at 12, but I wake up and I start working, and first I'm thinking, let's first do the job, let's do the work, and then at the end of the day, if I have time, I will go out. And I've been thinking that this is a big mistake, because I can choose what schedule to have. I'm working from home, so I can make my own schedule, but there is this work pressure that pushes me, or pushed me, because now, as you can see, I'm enjoying a beautiful day in the park and I'll be working later. But there is this pressure that made me think that I should just work, finish the work, and then be free to go out and to enjoy the weather. But what happened was that the moment I went out, it was already dark, it was already night, and my circadian rhythm got screwed up completely, and I started staying up later and later every night until I started going to bed and sleeping at 3 a.m. until today, when I decided to go and chase some small miracles in the park. And because I work from home, I tend to neglect the sport. A few years ago, when I wasn't working so much and in this crazy rhythm, I used to go to the gyms, and that was a solved problem. But now I need to find creative ways to get myself out and get myself moving, because I feel like I need to get some fresh air more often. and I don't want to go to the gym anymore. The gym I liked to go to changed the layout of the machines, and I don't like it anymore. And I'm very picky when it comes to the gym and to the machines I'm practicing on, or the machines where I'm training. So yes, I think it's better outside in nature. Sport is meant to be fresh air, and at the gym you don't really get fresh air. So I'm looking for a place to sit down, maybe. Oh, look at this. This light, strong light, like sunlight, shows all my imperfections. Which way should I go? I think I'll go this way. Shows all my imperfections, but I don't care. Today is no filter day, but yeah, it's makeup day. No filter, but with makeup. Oh, I found a bench here. Let's sit down a bit. Nice to have a break. Nice to have a mental break from tasks, from all the tasks that are waiting for me at home. So I don't have employees, I'm doing everything myself, and that can be overwhelming at times. And I think it's very important to strike a balance between work and personal life. But lately, in the last 3 years, more exactly, I had to work more than I wanted because of the economy, the ever-changing economy. So this balance got disturbed, and now I'm trying to restore it. And I like this iron gate here. Could this be like another miracle? The miracle. Oh, I want to have something similar in my garden, in a future garden. Look, it's nice. It's nice. I was saying that being a one-man show is difficult. However, I wouldn't trade this path that I chose for anything else. So there are times when you have your own business that you want to quit, but I've been thinking a lot about it, and even if it feels like it's not worth it anymore, I still know that this is my path, and I take it as a challenge, and I hope that things will change. I'm investing time in it, I'm investing energy and hope, and a positive thinking does wonders, and I believe that this is the key to success, and this is the only way to grow your business. Always believe and always work towards your goals, even when you don't have the expected results. There are so many people that say, why don't you do something else, especially about art? But I think that when you do what you like, that's when you can reach your potential, your best potential. I should be heading home now. So thank you all for watching Small Miracles, Big Joy. So today I think that iron gate was the second miracle, and the third miracle, here it comes, here it comes. Dum dum dum. This tree is the third miracle today. Thank you. See you next time. Bye for now.